It just keeps stretching and stretching. Globally, globally, globally. Ooh, hey, toy crafters! Sallycakes here. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas! Woo! Look what we have for you today. We are going to be making DIY Christmas slime. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun. Let's go through what we need. 4 disposable cups, measuring spoons and measuring cups, borax, and always ask your parents if you can use it, regular white school glue, red and green food coloring, spoons or popsicle sticks to mix with, green, silver, and red glitter, 3/4 cups of cold water, and 1/2 cup of hot water. So let's make our green slime first. Wow! So we need 1/2 cup of glue. Glue, 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 glue. Pour that into your first cup. 6 tablespoons of cold water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Green food coloring. Put as much as you need to get the shade of green you like. I'm putting a lot in. Add your green glitter. I'm going to add silver glitter to my green slime too. Give it a stir. Woo! All right, put that aside. In your second cup, put in 1/2 teaspoon of borax. And remember, you got to ask your mom and dad if you can use this. Always make sure never to put it in your mouth. It's not good for you. It can be dangerous. And 1/4 cup of hot water. Pour that in there and stir it around until the borax dissolves. And now we add our glue mixture to our borax mixture. Ooh, it's already turning slimy. I can see it. I can see it. Christmas slime, Christmas slime. Now give it a big old stir. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yes, very nice. All right, we're gonna set that aside and make our red slime. So we'll do the same for the red slime. 1/2 cup of glue. 6 tablespoons of cold water. Whoops. 6. A red food coloring. And a red glitter. Well, looks like this is as red as it's gonna get. All right, so set that aside. And in a separate cup, 1/2 teaspoon of borax. And 1/4 cup of hot water. Give it a stir. Add your red glue mixture to the borax mixture. Woo! Let's mix it up. Woo, yes. Woo, gooey, gooey, slimy, slimy. Now let's get a surface we can put the slime on. We've got a nice surface we can play on now, so let's get our slime out. Let's pour out our excess water. And now to get to the fun of playing with slime, you have to get through the icky part. So you really gotta play with it to get rid of the moisture. Woo! Oh, excellent. Excellent Christmas slime. So the more you play with it, the drier it'll get. So it's pretty gross right now. Slimy slime. Christmas slime, Christmas slime. And there we go, it's getting drier. Right, let's do the same to the red slime. All right, pour the excess water out. Glug, 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 glug. And let's get it out. Ugh, ugh, listen to that. Ugh. Here we have my Christmas slimes. Ooh, ah! Whoa, it just keeps stretching and stretching. Roll them out, roll them out. All right, I'm gonna hold it, and we're gonna twist it. It looks like a candy cane. Oh, I just love it. Woo! Let's make a bracelet. Candy cane bracelet. Oh, yes. What do you think your teachers would think if you went to school with a slime bracelet? Hey, teacher, it's just my slime bracelet. Boom, boom. Yes, Christmas slime. Globbly, globbly, globbly. Globbly, 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 globbly. Well, there you have it, toy crafters. We've made our Christmas slime. And of course, if you like, you can keep it separate, or you can take a little bit like I did and just mix it together. And the best part about this slime is it can last for months if you keep it in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag. Let us know what you think of the video in the comments below. We always love hearing from our little toy crafters. And don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button in the middle once this video is done to see more videos from us. Stay silly, toy crafters. Never grow up. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays!